Hi, Jose. Good evening. This is Loretta from Sky High Marketing. I spoke with you earlier today and I promised you a video, so here it is. I just wanted to share with you 3 things that you can do today to really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let's get started. So I see that you do not have a website, but you have some pictures posted on Google. That's a pretty good fence. So anyway, I went ahead and Googled fence repair Houston. So this right here is called Map Park. And these 3 people listed here are the ones that are receiving a lot of work because they are pretty easy to find. As soon as you come in here, you see them immediately. And there are 3 reasons why they are here at the Map Park. 1, having a Google business profile. 2, optimizing as much as possible. That is making it better, perfect, or effective. And 3, getting your name, address, and phone number into many directories as possible. This right here, these are called organic. This area is called the organic section. So right here we have Gulf Coast Fence. So let's go ahead and check out their website. So this is their website. They have a lot of content and they have they have a lot of images as well. So what I meant by content is anything that you can highlight, whether there are images or text or anything behind the image, images. That is called content. So, and this is very good. So if I really have to be the one to help you with your site, there are 2 things we have to do. First, we have to have at least 1,500 contents in your first page, on your home page, in order to beat your competition content-wise. And secondly, we have to have keywords. And what I meant by keywords is something like this, like chain link fence repair Houston. So when we have things like this, like multiple places on your site, and then people come in and Google that, you will be really relevant and Google will be willing to put you at the top. In addition, the more content you have, the more knowledgeable Google thinks you are. So if you have more content, Google will think that you are more knowledgeable. Okay? So I want to show you something else here. So I just want to tell you that being here at the organic section is pretty important. And also here at the Map Park, you want people to be able to find you as soon as they come in here. So it's pretty important to rank on the Google Map and then organic section. So this right here, this is a paid program. I normally use it to research on websites just to see what they're doing and all of that. So I went ahead and checked out Gulf Coast Fence. This is one of your competitions, just to see what we're up against. So right here they have DR 0.8. Explain to you a little bit more about this number. So this here, the DR, these are like they are very important to where you fall within the Google search results. DR ratings are a power ratings with Google, and these numbers are generally increased by the amount of backlinks you have on this site. And they have backlinks, 284. So backlinks is like a shout out or a click of a button from another site. For example, let's say a blogging website wrote an article about this paper, Gulf Coast Fence, and everybody should go and check them out. And they happen to have a clickable button that links back to their website. That will be called a backlink. Another important thing I want to talk to you about today is called organic keywords. So let's go in here and check it out. So, excuse me. So these are the organic keywords. These are what people are searching, like people need a repair, fence repair in Houston or Sugarland or anything like that. So they look for these, and your competition have all of these keywords inside their website, inside their social medias and other directories. So whenever people search on them, they got this volume. So these are the volumes for these keywords. This is like how many times people have searched these keywords. And one thing you have to know is that most of these are bigger than others. They don't have the same numbers. So you want to have one of the ones that are bigger numbers. For example, Fence Repair Houston, they have 350. So you want to have choose, pick and choose the ones that you want to rank on, the ones that people are searching every single day. So it's very important to have those important keywords on your sites, social medias, and other directories all over the internet. So with that, we have talked about having 1,500 content on your website when you build it, and then you need some keywords, and then you need some backlinks. You need a strong website that will be able to rank on Google. And for you to rank, you need all of that content, keywords, backlinks. You need all of that all over the internet in order for you to rank. So I hope this has been very helpful and informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. Thanks and have a great evening.